Welcome. Ever wish you could open your favorite website with just one tap from your phone's home screen? You're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a super simple way to add any website shortcut directly to your home screen using the Chrome app. And yes, this method is fully updated for 2025. Let's get started. 1. Grab your phone and open the Chrome app. 2. Head over to the website you want quick access to, whether it's your go-to news source, a productivity tool, or that recipe blog you can't live without. 3. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner and tap the three-dot menu. 4. From the drop-down, scroll down if needed and select Add to Home Screen. 5. Chrome will prompt you to confirm. You can even rename the shortcut to whatever you like, or just keep the default. 6. Tap Add, and you're done. Just like that, an icon for your chosen site will appear on your home screen, just like an app. Tap it anytime, and Chrome will open that website instantly. No more typing, no more searching. Just one tap, and you're in. This trick works on any Android device with Chrome installed, and it's perfect for keeping your most used sites right at your fingertips. You can even organize these shortcuts into folders, move them around, or delete them just like any app icon. So next time you catch yourself visiting the same site over and over, make life easier and add it to your home screen. Thanks for watching. If you found this tip helpful, hit like and subscribe for more easy time-saving tech tutorials.